Hello, this is Red Bee. We're going to do a video update, and I just want to kind of say that we've been using Swarm Commander and we have caught 4 swarms, and I highly recommend this product. I like the aerosol better than the vials because you can spray it where you want in your hives. And we're doing an update on our top bar hive. We had an earlier video where the top bar was totally destroyed by robbing bees, but we caught the bees using Swarm Commander, so it kind of was a bad thing but a good thing. But we're gonna give an update about I highly recommend this Swarm Commander. We've caught 4 swarms with it within 2 days after spraying the hives. So this is an update August the 3rd about our top bar, where we have caught yet a 4th swarm using Swarm Commander. So this is a update plus just for these new beekeepers, which we are a new beekeeper, but we use this product and it's great. Okay, this is a top bar, our top bar hive at Red Bees, and it was robbed and destroyed, and my brother David did some maintenance on it, and it was empty for a solid week. Now we have caught a swarm, and we're going to check it out. It's been there for 2 days, and we are going to do a check and do some, but he totally had to do re-maintenance, and yes, there's a swarm in there. They moved in on us. So we're going to try to find the queen, and we're going to check to see what they've been doing.
We also use these little strips here. You can order them off of
Amazon.
And
we got them from Man Bees, MANN Bees. That's where we ordered these from.
And they work fine.
Yes.
They're excellent.
We cut them in thirds and use them, and that saves money because the bees love it. Yeah, but they need a third of it and they're good to go. Can I get in here better? Okay. Let's see. They have worked.
This is just after 2 days right here. They've really come a long ways.
She's probably going to be in the center.
Yeah, just seeing it. Okay.
But as you can see, it's a nice size swarm. Now these bees look a little darker than our other bees. They're not as golden to my way of thinking. I think they're a little browner. Have bee are just bright yellow gold. She's probably going to be in this main cluster.
Oh, there's a big cluster right there.
Yeah, but
see if I can spot her. We'll come back to that one.
Don't these bees look a little darker than the other bees?
They do seem a little bit darker.
They seem a little more. They seem a little more brown, or they're not as bright golden to me.
They're a little short and stubby looking bee. They're not as long as the mother ones. They're steadily cleaning out comb.
So let me see if I can't help you find the queen. Now, but
Probably gonna be a hider.
Mosquito.
Let me get my glasses on.
She's. Where? These two, they don't seem as long as our other bees. They seem a little more stubby.
They're a little bit shorter type bee, ain't they?
Yeah, but they're not as bright yellow. I mean, others are golden. I don't.
Is that her?
I can't tell. Oh, there she is.
Is that her?
No, that's not her. She's probably gonna be on this first frame. But these are a little shorter. They are shorter. They're not as long bodied as those our other.
They got a little bit of honey in there already. Look. If you look right there, you'll see some honey. I don't know if you can get that or not. They're starting to put some honey in there. I'm trying to see if I can find an egg or so. I do see a little bit of honey. Let me flip it over here.
I do not. I don't see a queen.
Okay, let's,
I don't see a queen.
we'll come back to them here and double check them. I don't know why we just have the dangest time. Oh, good Lord, look at here.
They fallen.
There she is.
Oh, okay.
There she is right there. Go through your viewfinder. Go through your viewfinder.
Okay.
See her right there? Right there. There she is. There's that queen. She's a little nervous. She's hiding. Coming right here.
Yep.
See her?
Yes, I see her.
There she goes.
Yeah.
She's spooky.
Yeah, but she's dark. Like I
She's
said,
fat.
These are, like I said.
Okay.
Oh,
What is it?
oh, look at that. See, oh, just look like a. Okay.
Where'd she go?
I think she's on the other side. I think she went under.
There she is.
There she is.
Right there. She looks young, queen, too.
Yeah.
You see her?
Yeah, I see her right there.
I mean, through the camera.
Yeah.
You getting a good picture of her?
I'm getting a good lens.
Okay. Okay, let's. Okay.
We found the queen.
Okay.
Again, it's a pretty good swarm. They are doing pretty good progress so far.
Okay.
All looks good, looks healthy.
Like I said, they look like young bees. I don't know. They're
Like I said, they're not as golden brown, golden as our other bees, but they look darker to me.
they look short and dark.
Yeah, they're short and stubby.
And dark.
And dark. Our others are gold, just golden color, golden yellow.
And a little bit longer.
And longer bodied. And these are much shorter. So we might have a different variety of bees, which was good if we want to crossbreed some.
I can't tell you what kind they are. All I know they're wild caught bees.
But we caught them. We're on our 4th swarm. And this top bar is finally got a good hive in there. And that's kind of what we were wanting. We wanted a nice strong hive in here. And it didn't have one before, but I think this is a good strong hive. So
Good indication of a strong hive starting, yeah. It's not the biggest swarm in the world, but it's good something to start with. I'm gonna reduce it down a little bit and kind of confine them in there a little more temporarily. Okay. We have located the queen. That's
yep, she's right.
our main objective. She's on the other frame.
Yeah, she's right there on that frame. But we saw her, got a good picture of her, and that's what we like to look at, is make sure where the queen is.
I like to see a good healthy queen. And she looks pretty chumpy.
So
pretty chubby.
Like I said, they've only been in here 2 days, and so but they've done quite a lot for 2 days. So.
Got some comb on.
So we're gonna
I'm debating on that feeder. You think I'm gonna put that feeder in there?
David, I think you just, like you said, I don't want other bees. I think you'd be better.
They're pretty strong if I reduce it down. Maybe I'll go ahead and just leave it in there for the night.
Well, yeah, because the night they're going to be...
And take it out in the morning.
Okay, is that about all we're going to do?
And I think that's about it. Well, thank you, Swarm Commander. I really love your product. I love these little starter strips right here from Man Bee, and it's helped me catch 4 swarms. And after 5.5 months of
no bees
and trying to get bees, and now all of a sudden I've caught 3 in the last month and a half. And like I said, my first swarm I caught in here was May the 26th, and it got robbed out and killed. But
on the plus side, we caught the swarm that killed them, and it was a huge swarm. So
yeah, so it worked out to the good.
But we're gonna reduce this, and we're signing off. Red Bee videos, and we'll do an update in 3 or 4 days and let y'all know how our swarm's doing.